Welcome back, you guys. It's Eddie here at the Tint Factory showing you our next project. Here we have a 2006 Trailblazer SS that we're currently working on. We're doing a full vinyl wrap in KPMF purple to black. We are also going to be doing window tint removal and reinstall. We're going to be installing ceramic, nano ceramic film actually. This Trailblazer is actually going to benefit quite well off of a vinyl wrap. As you guys can see, the hood and a lot of the parts of the vehicle has sun damage. It's been faded. It's already having chicken feet. We're actually going to be sending off some of the parts of this vehicle to our partner body shop so they can paint. We're going to be sending off the grille, emblems, and a couple little pieces that need to be taken care of. Car came in with tire stickers already. The customer indicated to just leave them on, so we think they look great, and that's exactly what we're going to be doing. This customer actually came in already with powder coated wheels. He has 22-inch replica Trailblazer wheels, which we think look awesome. He also came in with bare brake 6 pistons that are already in gloss red, so we figured we should just leave that alone. As of now, the client wants to wait to see if he wants to do yellow calipers or leave them red. But we'll see. What do you guys think? We always take our cars all the way to the maximum, full disassembly. We don't try to cut any corners. We do this job right so that we could only do it once. If you guys are interested in the vinyl wrap, let us know. We're here to take care of you guys. Like, subscribe, comment. We're here a little bit new to YouTube, so if you guys support us, check us out. So right now we're using alcohol to decontaminate the surface. A lot of the cars have waxes, ceramic coatings, anything that stays on the surface that might not allow the wrap to stick. Alcohol helps us remove that. Well, door handles are one of those very tedious things that I could almost guarantee any installer hates doing. Here we took them all the way apart. We actually separated the two pieces so that we're able to wrap them all the way through so that when you pull your door up, it's not actually showing any of the original color. So now when you open the door handle, it looks nice and clean under the handle as well.
On the front windshield, we're doing it's a 50% Pro Nano. This one's getting hand cut because in the computer it was weird. We tried it twice, gave us wrong side. So right now we're just hand cutting this one now.
You got some tips from tinting?
Shit, probably like the biggest tip I could give is get yourself a computer cutter. Cause shit, doing shit by hand is kind of hard. It ain't hard, it's just time consuming. Yeah. What I'm doing is just trying to see what I'm missing. Like little fingers, like stuff like this. Just try to heat it up a little bit. Have to squeeze it. So I just finished dry shrinking it, and right now I'm doing the wet shrinking part. I feel more comfortable doing this just for me. I already did this like 3 times, so I ain't really trying to do it again.
So we're currently installing 50% nano ceramic film. This is actually GeoShield's film. It's great film. We've been using it for a couple months now. We're a little bit newer to it. However, we are very satisfied. A lot of installers that we know have been using it for quite some time. So been giving it a shot, and so far it's actually pretty good. Good benefits about nano ceramic compared to carbon films or carbon ceramic breaks is the light clarity. The clarity out of a nano ceramic film is going to be almost invisible. Obviously, we're not going to say it's completely invisible, but it is almost invisible. So this here is our 50%. It's actually the lightest film that we carry. However, if you are interested in 70%, you can get that special order. But honestly, 50% is perfect. Get all the benefits from heat rejection. Get a slight tint to the front windshield. Headlight. The glare starts to go away when you're driving in the night. What's that correct position? We're just taking position to make sure that our tint is covering all the way around. Once we have checked that, we're gonna go ahead and tack it. Start on our center. Squeegee out to one side. My partner to my left is going to be squeezing to his side. Say hello, partner. Hello. My partner over here is not too camera friendly.
Yep. But subscribe. Maybe I get paid.
You know what? 1,000 subscribers. Let's see, what can we do? What can we do?
Oh, 1,000 subscribers.
1,000 subscribers. What can we do?
10 rap with they choice.
Yeah, you know what? We get 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We're gonna start our. Let's start.
Giveaway.
Yeah, let's start a vinyl wrap giveaway. It's been quite some time. So, 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. We'll do a vinyl wrap giveaway. I think that's good. Because it's been a while. It's been a while. And you know, this is actually how we came up. For a lot of you that do not know, we came a long way through sponsorship deals with people or influencers or whatever it may be.
Marco.
That guy, the guy that just called us out, we're gonna be right back. All right, quick update. We're almost done with this Trailblazer SS that we're wrapping. Currently, we are coating all the trims that needed to get treated. They were worn out with the sun after being out for so many years. So we are restoring them with trim restoration gel. As you can see, this is what it looked like before. And this is what it looks like after. Currently, all we have left onto this Trailblazer is we have to wrap the front lip on the front bumper. We have to wrap the rear diffuser onto the back bumper, and we have to wait for the grill to come back from the paint. And that's about it. It's ready for pickup. It's honestly not that bad. It just needs to get a little wipe down, finish off all the trims. We're actually polishing these. We did not wrap these. We always think paint looks better than wrap when it comes down to depth and actual finish. So we just polish these out, try to finish that off. We're gonna try to finish these off tonight, and we'll see how far we get. Let us know what you guys think so far about this Trailblazer. Do you guys like the color? Do you like the wheel combination? The red and blue combination? What do you guys think? Would you have done it to yours? Let us know down below. Man, the cold got to us today. I'm not gonna lie, the cold got to us today, but Here we are, 2006 Trailblazer SS, fully wrapped in KPMF, blue to purple. Same color we just did the Cadillac CTSV we just turned in, what was like 2-3 weeks ago. Same color, client came in, he saw the car outside and he actually liked it, came, dropped the deposit, and here we are. We also did ceramic window film all the way around. Let us know what you guys think. If you like what we have here, like, subscribe, comment on our new channel on YouTube. Thank you. Here we are, Oakland, California. It's probably, I don't know, maybe 60 degrees out here right now. So it's freezing out, at least for us Californians. We're not used to the cold. So look, we're double layered up. I have sweats on the bottom, still cold, but we're out here. We're here finishing this up, ready to turn this into the client, doing our final little videos and ready to turn it in.